Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Spigen Ultra High Bit second generation case for the iPhone SE 2020 or second generation, whatever you guys like to call it. So something I noticed on this box was it says for iPhone 8 and 7, but when I was ordering this, it said for iPhone SE 2020 as well. So and you guys already know that the 8 and 7 have the same dimensions as the iPhone SE 2020, so there's not going to be a problem even if you receive a case for the iPhone 8. So let's get on with it. So there's a try it tab here. I guess you pull from here, and then here's the case. So it's a clear case, rubber sides. So there's a sticker in the middle, so when you are attached, I guess it's on the outside. Yeah, when you're attaching once you put your phone in here, you're just gonna take that off so you get all this out of there, and it's just a clear case. So black sides, the middle's clear, so you can see the color of your phone. Your phone is still protected, I guess. It's raised a little right here, as you can see right there. It's raised, so when it does fall, it's gonna have more protection. And then the sides are raised as well, so it's gonna go over your screen a little. And then your camera bump is secure right here with this area, which is raised as well. So it's a pretty nice case overall. I like the design. I will be testing this out on the iPhone SE 2020 once I receive it. It should be arriving in 2 days, 2-3 days, I guess. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to try this case on it. Talk to you guys more about it, review it and everything. So do we have anything else in this? Nothing much. There's just some installation guide here, some removal. So overall, this case is pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. I will be testing this out on the phone once I receive it. This was around $10 USD. So pretty nice case for that price point. It is by Spigen, so it's a nice company that you can rely on cases to make cases. They also made my case for my S10e, which I have been using for a year now. It's held up perfectly, so I hope this case will do the same, and it will be a reliable case. So that's about it for this video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.